how to see deleted TikTok videos. To get started, first of all, open up the TikTok application on your phone. You will then be taken to the TikTok homepage. From this page, you need to tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. Once you're here, tap on the menu at the top right corner. Then, go over to Settings and Privacy. Once you're in this page, tap on the Account option. Then, you need to tap on the Download Your Data option from here. After that, tap on the option Select Data to download. Now select the option Custom from the menu to select your data type. Since we're going to retrieve TikTok videos, we need to choose the option Profile and Posts. And then, select the option Activity. Now, hit the Done button. You can also select the file format from here to retrieve your deleted videos. Then tap on this Request Data button. You will then be taken to this page where you can see the progress of your requested data. Once it's available, just download it and you will get to see your deleted TikTok videos. So, by following these steps, you can easily get to see deleted TikTok videos.